I don't know if I trust you with the knife in your hand.
Mixing up butter. Making brownies.
Yep.
For you stupid people out there, they're called brownies with chocolate.
Yep.
Now we're gonna cut a whole big chunk of butter.
I don't know if I trust you with the knife.
You shouldn't.
Come on, use those muscles. What are you doing?
Chopping it up.
Why are you cubing it?
I wanted to cube it. So pretty good. I don't think it's gonna fit at all. We have to milk cup like, what the fuck is on this counter?
Well, should use cutting boards. Maybe pens.
Buttery good.
Do I melt
Buttery
it?
goodness.
Do I melt it?
None yet.
No. You have to put more.
Hello. Who knew butter was so hard?
Well, if it's in the fridge, obviously.
I don't know. I have no idea what the point of this is, but it's fun.
You should have made it in sticks, not cubes.
Don't chew.
Sorry. I have cocoa on me.
I'm not putting this in there. Okay.
Okay.
Push cancel. Push time, cook. Top. Push 0. Now push 2 minutes. 200. Put it in there. And push start. I did it all without cutting myself.